Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first step to do is to simply go to your Microsoft account. I already connected to my Microsoft 365 and I already find an option to buy it. So you can find many options or you can simply go to your Microsoft account. So from your Microsoft account, you will be able to get a plan. So simply from here, we will find accounts or this little menu or this sidebar, and basically you will find your info, account, etc. And from here, we will be needing to simply either click on get Microsoft 365 or you can get it from here. So you will be able to uh, scroll through the plans that exist for a personal account, and basically this is just a personal account, and then you will need just to click on get Microsoft, and from here you will be able to find that there is only two plans. There is the family plan and the personal one, and from there you will be able to read anything about it. So you can just go through all the informations, you can get whatever you would like, and then you will need just to click on buy now. So of course you can choose to bill monthly or yearly, whatever you prefer. You click on buy now, and basically you will go through the checkout page, and basically from the checkout page you will be able to add your billing information. You confirm, you accept the terms of usage, and there you have your subscription, and you have successfully bought the Microsoft 365. So now you will be able to start to manage your subscription through the subscription menu, and from there you will find your subscription there, and you can start managing or resubscribe whenever it expires, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.